In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently in 2020. So here's what you need to do. So first things first, open up Instagram and go to your profile by clicking on the icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the three dots in the top right and go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to help and go to the help center. Now to actually delete your Instagram account, you can't do it inside of the Instagram app. We have to go to the help center first, then click on managing your account. Once you're in managing your account, then click on deleting your user account. And here you'll have some options. Here we can either temporarily disable the account or we can permanently delete the account. So to permanently delete it, go to how do I delete my Instagram account? And then you'll be given the option first to temporarily disable your account. Keep on scrolling down and we're looking here for delete your account. So click on that. What it's going to do is it's going to redirect you to a web browser because you can't actually do this inside of the Instagram app. What you need to do then is log in. So you might need to re-enter in your password and your username, and then you'll be taken to this page here, which is the delete your account page. And here you should see your username, which is your account you're going to delete. And all you need to do is tell Instagram why you want to delete your account, and then you retype in your password, and then you can choose this box here, permanently delete my account. And that's all you've got to do to permanently delete your account in 2020. So if that video did help you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.